Hi, how you doing? It's TWF with Tom. It's been 16 days. Now it's time to transfer our wine and take a reading to see how strong it got. Get a second Debbie John here. Make sure it's cleaned out and sanitized. There we go. Just try to get some of the foam out. Not necessary to get all of it out. Get our trusty towel, clean towel. Alright, there's our second Debbie John. Get our hose here. Our siphoning hose. All sterilized. There we go. Get some of that. Whoop. There we go. At this point the wine is done. You could drink it as is, or I want to filter it and see how far good we can go with it. Hose is brand new, so it's a little stiff. There we go. Get on there. Come on, WTF. Alright. Now then, we'll take off our little spigot. And what we should do is put this a little bit higher than what you're siphoning. See if I can find something real fast. There we go. Paint can. Take your paint can. Right up there. Take your hose all the way at the bottom. You don't want no sloshing around. I do it about halfway. Give her a couple pumps. Let her go. This don't take long, and whoa, it smells good. It's probably gonna be really strong, I'm hoping. There we go. Going smoothly, and once again, you don't want to pick up any of the sediment at the bottom. That's why we're only going to do a little bit at a time. Stick it down and make sure we don't get none of that sediment. This is called our second fermentation. And it's going good. You want to make sure there's no air bubbles at all. And you're not all the way down at the bottom. There we go. We stick it down just a little bit. Make sure there's no air bubbles. And this is 1 gallon, and it is strong. It's been 16 days. She was bubbling until this morning. Last night, she was bubbling about 1 bubble every 7-8 seconds. Today, I counted to 30, no bubbles. So she might be a little bit more left to go. That's why we're putting it in our secondary. Before we add any manganese sorbate, which is an yeast killer. A little bit more. Make sure you don't get the bottom. Tilt it if you have to. Slowly. There we go. Oh, there she goes. Couple more seconds, hopefully, and we'll get to see the bottom here shortly. We don't want to get the very last bit. We don't need no dead E cells in this. She's almost gone. There we go. A little bit more. And you can see towards the back some dead yeast. We want to make sure we don't get that. Got to make sure. And that is it. We're going to save the rest for a reading. Whoa, wine, wine, wine everywhere. Don't spill the wine. Alright, that goes back into our handy dandy cleaning bucket. And so does this. Make sure you get a 30-second contact. For right now, we want to take a reading. There we go. Everything is sterilized, but we're not going to put nothing back in this time. I want to drink some to see how strong it is. Okay. Make sure we don't get none of that gobbledygook in there. Alright, is that enough to float the boat? Nope. That's okay, we're going to add just a little bit. Oh, it smells strong. There we go. Make sure the bubbles go down and we give it a fair spin. Alright. Okay. We are at 1.0 0.03 1.032. So it's a 1032. So we said that was 16, 1032, it says 5%. So it's about 11%, 11.5% alcohol. Then what we do is we put our everything back together. Here we go. All right. Boom, right in there. Time contact must be 30 seconds. There we go. Put that back in there. I got some brand new water. Pop the top. Fill it up to the line. Might have to tape it down like I did the other one. There we go. So that is, let's just make sure. Bubbles have cleared up a little. Yep, and she's positively 1.034 at 1034. All right. Let's put that back in our bucket for our next use. Oh my God. We're going to have to back sweeten this thing. It smells like nothing but pure alcohol with a little bit of grapes. Let's see. Yeah, that is pretty strong. We're going to have to back sweeten it. I want to get me some Welch's concentrate that comes in a round log. Don't add no water. We'll add some in later, but we want to make sure fermentation is done. So we're going to leave it for about another 4 days. And we're going to make sure there's nothing at the bottom, no more yeast. We're going to transfer it to another one. And then we're going to add our clearing agent. So, this is WTF with Tom. And we'll see you next time for the clearing. Alright, you guys have a good one. And remember, subscribe, ring the bell, so you'll know when new content's coming out. And hit the like button, and always subscribe. And drop a message down below. Let me know how you guys are going or what you want to see new on this show. Because we're going to have a bunch of different topics. All in a different playlist. So, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you later.